Welcome to Beautyistic. Are you tired of scrubbing away at your teeth only to feel like you're missing spots or not getting that fresh, dentist-like feeling? Well, today we're talking about a product designed to tackle those very concerns. If you're on the hunt for a better, more effective way to clean your teeth, the Waterpik Sensonic Sonic Electric Toothbrush might just be what you're looking for. This toothbrush comes with 3 distinct brushing modes: clean, stain removal, and gum care. Each mode is designed to address specific needs. Whether you're looking to power through your everyday brushing routine, tackle stubborn surface stains, or gently stimulate your gums, there's a mode for each. Now, I've been using this toothbrush for a little while to really see how it performs in real-world conditions. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to incorporate it into my daily routine. The ergonomic design of the handle fits comfortably in my hand, and the non-slip finish makes it easy to hold, even when wet. Plus, it's lightweight, which makes it perfect for travel. When it comes to performance, the Waterpik Sensonic is clinically proven to remove up to 4x more plaque than manual brushing, especially in those hard-to-reach areas like the back of your teeth. I tested it over a few days, and I can honestly say I noticed a visible difference in the brightness of my teeth and a fresh, clean feeling that lasted longer than with my old manual brush. One standout feature is the green reminder bristles that fade to yellow when it's time to replace your brush head. This is a clever and practical touch to ensure you're always using the most effective bristles. The 2-minute timer with a 30-second pacer helps you stay on track during each quadrant of your mouth, encouraging the right amount of brushing time for maximum results. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Waterpik Sensonic has an ultra-quiet motor, making it much quieter than other electric toothbrushes I've tried. It's also incredibly efficient with a lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 4 weeks on a full charge, so you're not constantly recharging it. The included travel case is a great bonus for people who are on the go, and the USB charger adds an element of convenience for easy travel. However, the one downside for some could be the fact that you'll need a USB-A wall adapter to charge it. This isn't included, so it's an additional purchase if you don't already have one. As far as value for money goes, I'd say this toothbrush is definitely worth the price, considering its features. The effectiveness of the brushing modes, coupled with the long-lasting battery and ergonomic design, make it a solid investment for anyone serious about improving their oral hygiene. Plus, with a 2-year warranty, you're getting peace of mind with your purchase. Now, if you're someone who prefers a more affordable option, there are a few alternatives out there that might be a good fit, though none of them offer the same combination of features and performance as the Waterpik Sensonic. Still, if you're looking for a simpler electric toothbrush with fewer modes, you can find options that do a good job at a lower price. In terms of build quality, the materials used in this toothbrush feel sturdy and premium. The soft bristles are gentle on the gums, but still manage to clean effectively, and the overall construction of the brush feels solid. After several weeks of use, the bristles have held up well, showing minimal wear. The design feels durable enough for long-term use, which is important considering the investment. So, does the Waterpik Sensonic live up to its claims? In my experience, yes. It provides a deeper, more thorough clean than a manual toothbrush, while also offering features that make it convenient and easy to use. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for an effective, rechargeable electric toothbrush that provides excellent value for the price. If you're interested in purchasing this toothbrush, be sure to check out the link in the comments or description box below. I'd love to hear from you if you've already tried this toothbrush. Drop a comment and let me know how it's worked for you. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.